Life doesn't get lighter, you just get stronger. This flow was designed to help you build a body that holds you well. Grounded legs, steady core, supported spine. Let's move. Come to an easy seat anywhere on the mat. Sit up really tall. Close your eyes and just take a big giant breath in through the nose. Sigh it out your mouth. One more. Now, before we can build a body that holds us well, let's at least tune into this one and just give it a little love. Almost like a thank you in advance for holding me, for supporting me, for keeping me steady and strong. Repeat that to yourself in any way that comes to mind. And just let your body know you're thinking about them and that you appreciate them. Now drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Let it hang. Keep sitting up straight. Roll your chin to chest. And back up to the other side, left ear, left shoulder. Just let it hang. And back again. One more time. And come back to center. On your next inhale, reach your arms up. And then exhale, crawl forward. If you start to feel any pressure on your knees, that just means you've gone too far. So just back up a little bit. So just go as far as you can comfortably. Drop your head. Feel your lower back open up, your hips and thighs. And press yourself back up. Stretch your legs out, shake them out. Move the meat. Hey, kitten, no! Flex your feet. Inhale your arms up. And exhale, fold. No biting. Go ahead and let your knees bend as much as they need to for your belly to rest on your thighs. And that's how we can keep your back pretty straight. Just keep that belly to thigh connection. And then once you get as far as you can go, let your head just relax down. Tuning into your breath. Every inhale, you come up a little tiny bit. And every exhale, you sink a little deeper into the stretch. And press yourself back up. Cross your ankles and roll forward into a tabletop position. Turn your fingers to face your knees. Just open up the wrists and the forearms. Anything that feels good here. I woke up this morning, my right wrist was so tight. I'm thinking, did I do something different with my right hand? I can't think of what I did, but this is helping a lot. Just prepares the wrist for some weight. When you're ready, turn your fingers forward and let's move through cat-cow. On an inhale breath, drop your belly down and lift your tailbone and your chin up. On an exhale, round your spine, chin to chest, and then your tailbone tucks. Keep moving like that. Inhales, drop the belly. Exhales, round the spine. And just come to a neutral spine. Reach your right arm and your left leg out in front of you. So right arm, left leg. Keep your thumb up and your toes pointed down and just hold here for a moment. Take a breath in. And on an exhale, crunch knee to elbow as you round your spine. Inhale for length as you reach. Exhale's the crunch. Inhale for length. Exhale's the crunch. 2 more. Last one. And come back to tabletop. Take a little child's pose. Open your knees, sink down and fold forward. Take a big giant breath. Now come back to a tabletop position, and we'll do that on the other side. So this time, left arm, right leg. Thumb up, toes down. Hold here for a moment. Take an inhale breath. Exhale's the crunch around the spine. Nice and slow. Inhale for length. Exhale's the crunch. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Come back to tabletop and then child's pose. Let's take a little breath. All right, one more big breath. Now come up to a downward facing dog. So tuck your toes, lift your hips, making a V shape with your body. Just take a moment to pedal it out. And now open your feet up kind of wide. Walk your hands backwards towards your feet. Hang heavy. Roll up to standing. Keep your toes facing forward. Feet are still kind of wide, almost as wide as the mat, but not quite. And now bend down. And back up again, onto your toes. Sink and reach. Stand, toes. Sink, reach. Stand, toes. 2 more. So now inhale your arms up. Exhale, fold. Walk your hands out to a high plank. Hold here, 1 big breath. Now walk your hands backwards. And inhale, roll up. Reach up. Exhale, fold. Walk it out. Hold a high plank, 1 big breath. Walk your hands backwards. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Walk it out. Hold, 1 big breath. Walk your hands backwards. I want you to do that 1 more time on your own. Good. Bring your hands at heart center. Give yourself a pat on the back. Thank your body for being built to carry it. What you just built isn't only strength, it's support. The kind you can stand on, the kind you can return to. Remember, you were built to carry it.
There are few people who have decided within themselves, I'm going to make it. Some people aren't waiting to be cut. Some people are moving on their own because they feel within themselves, I've got what it takes to make it.